Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and let's get straight into it. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your Trust Wallet app, and right here, you can search what coins you would like to transfer to your Binance wallet. For example, let's use USDT, and we can see right here, this USDT is on Ethereum network. In that case, we can just head over to Binance and go to your portfolio or wallet, and right here, you can click on deposit, and here you can select for USDT. In this case, we're going to choose Ethereum since the USDT that we're about to transfer from Trust Wallet is on the Ethereum network. Then you're given a QR code and also your deposit address, which we can just copy here. And we're going to head over to Trust Wallet again and select on USDT and tap on send. We need to now go and paste the address and enter the amount. So basically, that's how you can transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance. I hope this video helpful and thanks for watching.